Level 1 Fluency Skills from the Triquetre piano programme. 3 left-hand notes. This piece uses the notes C3, D3 and E3. The 3 shows that this is the third C from the lowest C on a standard piano. Your keyboard may start at C2, so match the sound to this C. 3 left-hand notes has 4 beats in a bar and starts with the little finger on C, 4th finger on D and 3rd finger on E. We'll count 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. For full details about the Triquetre piano programme, please see the description below. Thank you for joining me. Keep practicing.